चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And our viewers joining us live on the story this morning is my colleague Aditya from New Delhi. Aditya, very good morning to you. Stringent action against Arundhati Roy and now a fresh order to prosecute her under the UAPA. I really want to understand from you first, how was the LG finally prompted to allow the prosecution of Arundhati Roy, and if we have been able to get in any word from Arundhati Roy or anybody around her?
Well, Kriti, I'm just standing outside Arundhati Roy's Delhi residence. As we can show your viewers, this is her house, which is this is Arundhati's house located in South Delhi. And what we can understand is she is not stepping out and not be seen here anywhere. So the Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena has yesterday granted the provision to prosecute the author Arundhati Roy under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act under the UAPA, and it needs to be seen as to where this case is headed. You know, in 2010 she had made a provocative statement at a conference that was held in Delhi regarding Kashmir, and the complainant in this case is Sushil Pandit, who had filed a complaint against Arundhati Roy under the section 156 part 3 of the Criminal Procedure Code at the Metropolitan Magistrate Court in Delhi. Now it needs to be seen as to where this case is headed and what action is taken against author Arundhati Roy in accordance with the law. Yes, Kriti.
All right, thanks for giving us those details this morning. Aditya, we expected to continue tracking the movements of the author and try to get in a word from her. Meanwhile, viewers, let's move on and take a look at some of the top news stories that we are tracking from across the nation in Bharat in 2 minutes. Union Home Minister Amit Shah reviewed the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir in a high-level meeting with senior officers of the Ministry of Home Affairs in the national capital. The review meeting came against the backdrop of back-to-back terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. Newly elected BJP MP from Garhwal Lok Sabha constituency and national media head of the BJP, Anil Baluni, expressed his gratitude to the party workers and the public for the victory in the Lok Sabha elections at a felicitation ceremony organized in Narendra Nagar.
आप लोगों ने जिस तरीके से मेहनत की, आप लोगों ने जिस तरीके से पसीना बहाया और सारे अनुमानों को छोड़ते हुए जितनी रिपोर्ट थी उनको धक्का बताते हुए, उनको झूठा साबित करते हुए हमारे रुद्रप्रयाग जिले ने जिस तरह से जीत हासिल की है, इतने बड़े मार्जिन के साथ की है, मैं आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ। आप लोगों के लिए बहुत दिल से बहुत धन्यवाद है।
Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal's PA Bibhav Kumar, who was arrested for allegedly assaulting Swati Maliwal, will be produced in Tees Hazari Court today following the end of his one-day judicial custody.